Hey guys, before you go anywhere, I want to show you just how easy and simple it really is to get your will done for you and your spouse. All right, so I got my phone here up. I'm going to go ahead and pull up my LegalShield app, which I'll leave a link in the email or somewhere around on this page that you'll be able to click to actually go ahead and get signed up for LegalShield, okay? So let's go ahead and get logged in here. Got my thumbprint. All right, so as you can see, if you start your will, you can stop and then come back and then resume where you left off. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and delete out of this just so I can show you how easy it is. Now, I'm not going to go through my whole will process because it does take a little bit to answer all the questions, because it's going to ask you some personal questions to make sure that it builds your will correctly and properly. And the cool thing is you can update this every year as your life changes. So let's go ahead and click Get Started. It's going to hit Start Will Questionnaires. All right, so it's going to pull in your information from your LegalShield membership. All right, so I'll go ahead and get that set in. And I'll just go through a few screens here just so you can really see how simple it is. And just know that as you're completing this, you can go ahead and stop and come back to it later. Okay, you don't have to complete it all in one sitting. All right, so let's go ahead and continue. It's going to ask your date of birth, which it should fill in again right from your LegalShield membership, which again, guys, I'll leave the link in the bottom of this email on this page somewhere so you can go ahead and get signed up for the LegalShield membership, which has so much more benefits than just getting your will done. But getting your will done is very important, so it is a good one here. So are you a U.S. citizen? Yes. Then it's going to ask you your address. And again, a lot of this stuff's going to be pre-populated for you, which is awesome, you guys. It's going to make it very easy. So go ahead and hit next. Oh, we got to put in our county. So go ahead and do Will County. And then, do you own a business? You're just going to answer that. It's going to ask you if you're single or married. And then it's going to pull in your either your husband or your wife's information when you sign up for your membership. So again, a lot of this is going to pre-populate for you, making it so easy. Do you currently live with this person? Yes. They want to know their pronouns. She's a she and a her. And then it's also very important, they're going to say at the bottom here that you're going to have to check this box. Okay, what that basically says is that your husband or your wife is going to have to complete their own will, okay, which they'll have their own app on their own phone. All right, so then we're just going to hit continue, and then it's going to ask you if you have any child support agreements in between there, and then you can just select that. If you do, you can upload it. The next screen will actually if you have any previous marriages between the two of you. So we'll just say no. And then if you have yes, it'll ask for your previous marriage, when that marriage was finalized in court, like the divorce, all that fun stuff. But you just go through this, it'll ask you the important questions. If you have any problems, you guys, look at this. Let me just exit out of here. All right, let me get out of here. And then right at the bottom here, see where it says call law firm? If I hit call law firm, right, I go ahead and click the call law firm button. What that does is it pulls up the number right away to make it nice and easy to call them. All right. Now, the other thing that is important on here, it has emergency access. What is this used for, you guys? What if you get pulled over late at night? What if you have a teenage driver and they're out driving or away at college and something happens, or at a party, something, and they need legal assistance? You know, whenever you're dealing with law enforcement, you should not be answering any questions without an attorney present, right? Because you don't know the law. And most of the time, I shouldn't say most of the time, all the time, law enforcement doesn't know the law. They didn't go to college to learn the laws. They don't really know the laws. So what they're telling you is the law, most of the time is not the law. But how do you know? You don't. And if you answer the wrong questions, you can put yourself in a really, really bad situation. Right here, call emergency line. This is going to get you connected directly to an attorney, no matter what time of the night, no matter what time of the day. Doesn't matter if it's a holiday. It doesn't matter. You're going to have legal assistance. And how it works, you click it, you get the attorney on the phone, you let the officer know, I want to contact my attorney. You click the button, your attorney gets on the phone, you hand your phone to the law enforcement, and then they will ask the right questions, and they will fight for your rights and let that officer know what's legal and what's not legal. And that traffic stop will go very easily. And then if you have kids away at college, this can get them out of there at a party, something happens. How awesome would it be to make sure that they are protected and have access to their legal rights? Okay, went far off getting your will done here, but I just want to let you know how important this really is. So again, guys, I'm going to put the link down below. Get your LegalShield membership. Get this will completed. Get this app on your phone. Get this app on your kid's phone. So when you're out driving, when you're out wherever, you have a law firm in your pocket, in your car with you, so you always have access to your rights. Thanks so much for watching. I appreciate you guys stopping by. And again, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, please get in touch with me. I'm here to help you. Have an awesome day, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.